your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speedboats, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the cross, yeah. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for that belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, je suis comme Johnny. Rolls Royce, baby, and hitting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chills. All because of how I kept it real. Life sweet, baby, on the G-way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby.
Oh my god, you guys. So hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for returning. My name is Shanara and I do content such as mom vlogs, travel vlogs, and lifestyle, hair, and beauty. If you like those type of things, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I think you will enjoy this video as well. So today we are in San Antonio. We are here for a weekend family trip and I'm so excited. So the original plan was just to come down here to Seaworld to bring my baby and my nephews, and we were just gonna have a good time. My family is here and we also have some extended family that lives down here as well that we are looking to visit. So that is why we are here. But we have been on the road pretty much all day. We have made it to our hotel. We have checked in. That is where we are in our journey. I am waiting on valet to bring the stroller, and then we're gonna start walking around downtown because that's where we are. We are currently downtown San Antonio. We are, I don't know if we're just going to get something to eat or if we're also going to the Riverwalk. We don't really have anything too much set in play today because we knew that today was the travel day. Tomorrow is the big day for us to go to SeaWorld and explore. So yes, I just wanted to come in because I haven't checked in with you guys and let y'all know what was going on. So I will talk to you guys when we make it to our next destination.
Ready to eat? Ready to eat? Say hi.
That's the Guinness Book of World Records for being the largest building ever moved down city.
Ooh.
Find the middle?
Oh, they're so pretty. Everybody
Everybody should take a picture over there.
Gladys want a picture over there.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
a real good one.
Gotta get in line. Oh, it's okay. You can do it.
Okay, you ready? One, two, three. I'm gonna take another one, okay? Okay, Mario. Okay, Mario.
Then we'll put five on. Open your arms. Yep, there you go.
Ready? One,
Look straight, Mari.
all right. And let you go.
Yeah, let's do it. Go ahead.
Mom, you want one? You want one?
I think I got one. Come on, back here. There you go.
All right, everybody. One, two, three. All right.
Okay, here, Laura. Do it. Five.
Gotta be quick. Ready, set, go.
Come on, y'all. Get out of the camera. Still rolling.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Over here. Oh, my God. Yes, he does.
Y'all, it is so hot out here. We just finished eating, and then we just went to take a picture in front of that mural back there, and now we're just walking on the river walk. I have no idea what the next destination is.
Yeah, you want to see the picture? You gotta let me get ready first.
I just want to, I don't want to hold it, I just want to touch it.
I'm used to everybody taking pictures with me. That's why I say that.
Ooh, wait.
Brother, how you doing? All right. Hey, it's pretty tough for you to hold.
Oh, it doesn't.
$10 a picture around the neck, dog. Y'all more than welcome to call me the Snake Man. All right, babe.
All right, Mr. Snake Man.
This is Snipe right here. He has a set of 30 teeth with 10 sharp. No fangs, no venom. Never been nobody, brother. I've been doing this for 8 years. Y'all have a wonderful night, guys. San Antonio Freeman.
I just wanted to touch him. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one, guys.
You too. Hi, you guys. It is Friday night, and we have made it back to the room from Margaritaville, and we have bathed, and now we are getting in the bed to go to bed because we have to get up early. It's like super early. I think we're getting up at like, I need to get up at 8 because we're leaving at 9. So I really need to get up between 7:45 and 8 so that I can be ready, or me and baby can both be ready by 9. So that's the plan, y'all. I just want to come and check in and let y'all know that I'm about to go to bed. I'm tired, boss. So I will talk to you beautiful and lovely people on tomorrow. Say cheese. Tell me, have you ever loved someone? Baby, baby, baby. Dang, we should have got a basket. There we go. Hey. We came to get gas, y'all, and then get some water, and then we'll be on our way to Seaworld. self-checkout. This should be enough. You think it's enough? We need another one?
Like he yelled at me.
No? Are you sure?
Get it?
I'm gonna get one more. Okay. I'm gonna just get one more. Hi, doggy. Because if nothing else, y'all, I'm gonna drink the water.
Oh, it's like this?
I thought, yeah.
I can imagine how busy it was.
Oh, yeah.
Car. You have to insert it, boo. All right. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Boom, boom. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I love you. Hey, hey, hey. Look like the gas is full. And it is time for us to head to Seaworld, you guys. I will check in with y'all once we get there. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, this morning we ended up going to IHOP for breakfast. Oh, y'all can't see me. At least it's a little bit breezy. Oh my goodness, I feel like I can't even talk. But you guys, we have made it to Seaworld. We are about to go in here and I'm so stinking excited. Thank you. Boop, boop.
How are we doing today?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Pretty good. All these people stopping by just to see me. Thank you.
Of course.
You have a wonderful day now.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day as well.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, good.
They got money. You getting it now?
No, I didn't. I missed it.
Make them get up there.
I didn't want to run nobody. Okay.
Look, come make them dance.
Make them dance.
There's one over here too. Alright, make sure. Okay, everybody. There's two over here.
I saw they fin.
Look at Mickey.
Look. Look. Look.
All right, look at you, Dan.
He turned around.
You're fine. You're fine.
Thank you. You're welcome. having such a good time. Yeah. We just left the water area and now we're about to go find the Sesame Street block parade.
In fact, can you help me bring them out here? Awesome. Here's what I need you to do. Count down with me from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get this party started. Hey, Cookie. Oh, boy. Woo! You bet it is. And let me see you clap your hands just like this. Music makes me want to move.
Hi, Elmo.
You see, sound travels 4.5 times faster in the water than it does through air. So when they leap out of the water and crash back down, that behavior is called a breach, and it can be heard for miles around.
How you guys is? Ooh, not the best. There we go. Okay, so we have gotten back from Seaworld. It was an okay time. No, I had a good time. I almost cried when the whales were doing their performance. I thought it was so cute. And now we have showered and put on clothes, and we are about to go get food and then walk around and explore the mall. So let's go, guys. I gotta do this quick because I don't want to get copyrighted because of this song. That's so rappy. Well, you guys, we have made it to Land Shark because Rainforest Cafe had an hour and 45-minute wait and we was not about to do that. We've already ordered. I'm just ready to eat before I pass out, but that's all you girl got.